This is Elise Livingston and Jeremy Kaiser with LA Homes and Architecture. We're really excited to show you our new listing at 736 North Sierra Bonita Avenue in the Melrose District. Located in the central and lively Melrose District of LA, 736 North Sierra Bonita Avenue is an exquisite Spanish beauty. Situated on a quiet tree-lined block, the home is within walking distance to award-winning restaurants and hip boutiques just steps away on Melrose Avenue. Completely gated and hedged for privacy, you are welcomed into the home via the front patio, covered by a custom pergola. Appreciate the abundant natural light in the spacious, open-concept floor plan. Exuding warmth and style with its hardwood floors and fireplace, the living room flows into the dining area and kitchen. Brightened by an oversized skylight, the gourmet kitchen has granite countertops and stainless steel appliances. Friends and family can gather around the generously sized island. French doors lead out to a back patio and yard, perfect for lounging or a quick meal al fresco. The spacious master suite is a true oasis with a walk-in closet and a luxurious bathroom with double sinks and a soaking tub. The home is completed with 2 additional well-sized bedrooms and another full bath. Imagine throwing spectacular dinner parties or summer barbecues in the generous and secluded backyard. With room for a pool, you can dine under the stars or play a game of catch. Watch movies in the converted garage or use it as an office. Truly, 736 North Sierra Bonita Avenue is perfect for a family or the consummate party thrower. The Melrose District is one of LA's most sought-after neighborhoods. It is a vibrant community where rock and roll meets fashion, full of culture, art, and entertainment. Close to the Hollywood Hills, Beverly Grove, and West Hollywood, this neighborhood has it all. You can enjoy music and nightlife or shop at the top boutiques. The options for dining out are endless. Live, work, and play here. Thanks for joining us today on the tour of our new listing at 736 North Sierra Bonita Avenue. If you have any questions, please contact me or Jeremy Kaiser.